Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I get these big, loose, flowy curls using a 1.5 inch wand. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram, and let's get started. So I already prepped my hair with a little bit of dry shampoo at the roots to add a little bit of volume, and I also added argan oil to the ends to keep it from tangling. I'm going to be using the 1.5 inch wand from Lael Hair. I love that it has different heat settings, and I set it to 400 degrees. So the first thing I'm going to do is just section half of my hair off, and I'm going to put it in a little top knot bun and just clip it out of the way. I'm going to put all of my hair on one side, and I'm going to start curling small sections. I'm not very particular on how big of a section I grab. I just kind of do it randomly, and I tend to curl my hair all in one direction. The rest of the steps are pretty repetitive, so I'm just going to go ahead and speed it up. And this is the final look. I don't really like to add hairspray or dry shampoo to the ends of my hair because then the curls get really tangled. I just added a little bit of argan oil at the ends in the very beginning so that the curls stay separate and there's a little bit of movement. I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick tutorial on how I curl my hair. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!